Good day. In today's video I will show you how to remove the front door handle on the Mercedes S-Class W116. Let's watch it now. To remove the front door handle, first we open the door and then we're gonna remove a few bits. Look, it's very simple to have access. We're just gonna remove that plastic part that's here. We can remove it by hand usually. And then with Allen key number 5, we're gonna remove those two bolts that are inside, like so. We just make sure we don't drop them on the floor or lose a washer. There we go, here's one. And here's two. Perfect. Now to remove the door handle is very easy. We're just gonna push it towards the front of the car, like so. Okay, you can see it's dislodged. And now we pull it and we wiggle it a little bit and it should come off. Here we go. Okay, so if you have seen the previous video that I've done about the rear door handle, I'll place a link somewhere here. You will see that the difference is this. On the front door we've got that, on the rear one we don't have that. Okay, to mount it back is actually very easy. We just make sure the handle is more or less in its position for this bit to go in. Okay, so we place it inside and then we're gonna place the rear first. Okay, so we put it at a slight angle, then we place this one. Okay, now again towards the front. Okay, push it in and back. Sometimes when we push it back it tends to jam a little bit, so we have to move it sometimes a bit until it goes into position. Here we go. Okay, done. Once it's done, well, place back the two screws and the plastic cap and it's done. As you have seen, it's very easy, very simple to do. And if you need to paint the door, dismantle it, see the mechanism, etc., now you know how to do it. Okay, stay tuned on the channel if you want to see more videos, and what you can do best is actually subscribe. Like that you will be aware of all new videos that are coming. Okay, also more people subscribe, more I will be able to make quality videos. Okay, so anyway, I hope that you have liked the video and we'll see each other in the next one. See ya.